All right, so let me start out by telling you guys how these earbuds came into my life. I needed some earbuds that I could basically grab, throw into my pocket, and not really think about it. I didn't need the high-end stereo earbuds. I didn't really need the ones that that you had to sit perfectly still and listen. I just needed everyday earbuds. But when I got them, the first thing right out of the gate that I noticed was this percentage right here. I love having this little battery percentage because they last a long time, and I often forget about charging them. But when I grab it, and like, oh, you need to charge it. Time's up. You got to charge it. They really do last a long time. I forgot, a handful of times that I need to charge them. Sound wise, they're clear. They're loud enough for me. They're very balanced. And I'm not going to sit here and pretend that they're stereo quality, but for everyday listening, they get the job done and do exactly what I need. Nice little plus is that they're also water resistant, which, life happens. You spill some coffee, sweat, rain, whatever, you're next to a sink doing dishes, whatever, life happens. I've taken a few calls on them. I've taken a lot of calls on them, and nobody's ever complained about the audio quality. So that's usually a good sign as well. Overall, in my opinion, these Bluetooth earbuds, they're just solid. Nothing complicated, nothing flashy. They just work. They last a long time and they don't get in the way. So if you're looking out there for earbuds that you can just use all day, every day without overthinking it or it's getting too complicated, these are definitely worth checking out.